Today I will teach you how to make gradient text like this. Search for TypeGradient. Write your text. Choose your color and adjust to your style. Now download this as a PNG and remove the background. Keep the background black. Now duplicate and separate every letter and keep every letter like each one touching each other. Choose this shadow. Change the shadow style to left and increased offset, transparency and blur. Now change the positioning by keeping every letter on each other from right to left. Now select all the alphabet and duplicate it and flip it and search for gradient and choose this gradient and keep it like this. And for more real reflection, you can decrease the transparency of reflecting image. And subscribe if you find it helpful.